Hi everyone, welcome to the Management Guide, a one-stop learning platform for all your exam preparation. If you have visited to our channel for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button and become the part of our learning community. Also, click on the bell icon to get notifications and stay updated with the latest content that gets uploaded on the channel. If you like our videos, then hit the like button. Also, share the videos with your friends and the near and dear ones.
So in this video we will be discussing about what is product life cycle. So the product life cycle is the course of the life of a product. It begins when the product is in its development and ends after the product has been removed from the market. The product life cycle is the process a product goes through from when it is first introduced into the market until it declines or it is removed from the market. The life cycle has typically 4 stages, which are introduction, growth, maturity and decline. While some products may remain in a prolonged maturity state for some time, all products eventually phase out of the market due to several factors, including market saturation, increased competition, decreased demand and dropping sales of the product over the time. The companies use PLC analysis to create strategies to sustain the product's longevity or change it according to the market demand or adapt with the developing and changing technologies. So in this slide you can see that there are typically 4 stages in product life cycle. The first is the introduction stage, the second is the growth stage, third is the maturity stage and the last is the decline stage. Now let's understand each of these phases in detail one by one. So as you can see, the 4 life cycle stages, product life cycle stages, and let's understand each life cycle stage and its marketing implications. So the first stage is introduction stage. So as you can see that in the introduction stage, the company's product sales are very less. The cost per customer is very high. The company faces financial losses and there are either few or very less competitors. The second stage is the growth stage, in which the product sales are increasing. The cost per customer falls. The profits tend to increase and tend to rise. Also, there is an increase in the number of customers and the competitors also tend to increase. The third stage is the maturity stage. In maturity stage, the sales of the product are at a peak. The cost per customer is lowest. The profits are very high and the product has reached to mass markets and it has a high customer base and it has a stable number of competitors. After the maturity stage, once the product has got a saturation point, it enters into the decline stage, in which the sales tend to fall, the cost per customer is low, the profits also fall and the customer base contracts. Also, the number of competitors, they fall. So these are the typical 4 life cycle product life cycle stages any product goes through. So that was all in this video. I hope that through this video you would have learnt about what is product life cycle and the 4 stages of product life cycle. Thanks for watching and happy learning.